So here is an example of multiplying a decimal by an integer. Now this is going to be using the long multiplication method because this is multiplying it by a 2-digit number. You can work this out a variety of ways. One step is to just take the decimal point out and do 135 times 19 and then divide by 100 by inserting the decimal point in the final step. You can, however, just use your traditional form of long multiplication. So in the same way as you treated this example before for long multiplication, you are going to write your multiplier, that is the first number, on top, just in a line with lots of space around it. You are then going to write your multiplicand below. Now it doesn't matter as long as you make sure your units are lined up. The most important step now is putting your decimal place into your multiples below. Now because this is a 2-digit number, you're going to have 2 multiples, so you need to make sure you've got 2 decimal places lined up directly below your initial decimal place. So your first step, you're going to do 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. Write my 5, carry my 4. You're then going to do 9 times 3 is 27. Add your 4, that gives you 31. Carry your 3. Finally, you're going to do 9 times 1, which is 9. Add your 3, gives you 12. Now, in the same way I like to do it with normal long multiplication without a decimal, I like to do a small, thin line through my 9 so I don't try to multiply by my 9 again. Now, in the same way, this is long multiplication. I am not multiplying by 1 here. I am multiplying by 10. So I need to put a 0 in as a placeholder. Then I am going to be multiplying by 1. So 1 times 5 gives me 5, 1 times 3 gives me 3, and 1 times 1 gives me 1. For the final step of this method, just like in normal long multiplication, you are going to add them together. I like to ensure I write my decimal place in even before I've done that column addition. 5 add 0 gives me 5, 1 add 5 is 6, 2 add 3 is 5, and 1 add 1 is 2. So your final answer, your product of 1.35 times 19 is 25.65.